So I do have 9. But what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to, since I just don't have the new ones for all of them, I'm going to replace 6 of them. And which 6 should I pick is the question. I'm going to put 3 new ones down here and 3 new ones up there. And it turns out that the Mercedes nuts are exactly the same. That's surprising. I think I bet if I look deeply enough in the manual, I'll find that you're supposed to replace these guys. Eeny, miny, mo, I guess. I think these guys were like $8 a nut or something. Ridiculous. And I'll use 3 of the old ones. And I have 6 of the old ones left. No surprise there. Now to find out what torque these are, torque them in.